Hey, did you just ask yourself how to recognize if you have run into a wall in a video game? No? Then you've come to the right place, because I'm now going to teach you that super easy. Here I have prepared this beam in Unity, which can move around very simple. If you want to know how this works, just have a look in the description. I also created this button here, which should open this gate when you stand on it. And to do that, the game has to detect if something makes contact with the button, and this is where I'm taking over. For this we create a script and call it Detect Player. In the script we create 4 variables which we will need to program the player detection. The variable what to detect is a layer mask, and each object in the game can be given a layer mask and by that determine that an object is of a certain category. For example, I always give the player the layer player. The variable detector is a transform, and a transform contains coordinates and other things of an object. So with this variable I can read the position of an object. Radius is just a decimal number, and player detected is a bool, which is a data type that can take the state true or false. Okay, all clear so far? Then let's program the contact detection, and guess what? For this we only need one line of code. And it looks like this. We use the function physics.2d overlap circle to create a circle of a certain size at a certain position that reacts to a chosen layer. If you make a 3D game, you have to use the function physics.checkSphere. Each time when an object of a selected layer stands in the circle, the value true is returned, and we store this value on the bool player detected. As values we can take the positions of our transform, the radius which we created, and the layer variable we prepared. And that's all that with the programming of the contact detection. Now we have to go back into the scene and create a detector, which we attach to the button. Then we drag this detector script onto the button and adjust all the parameters correctly. After that we select the layer which we want to react to and drag the detector into the transform field. And now we can try it out. If I stand with a player who has the layer player on the button, the script recognizes this and the gate opens. The mechanics about the gate opening are handled by an animation. If you are interested in learning how this works, just take a look around my channel or take a look in the description. I have also prepared this box with the layer crate. If I now change the layer to crate on the button can also be pressed by the box. Now a little tip on the side. If we add this function in the script, we can make the radius of the detector visible in the scene. That should make a lot of things easier. Now I have shown you everything that you will need to program a collision detection, and I hope that I was able to teach you something. If I managed to do that, please consider to leave a like and suggest a topic for a future video in the comments. Take a look on my channel or click on one of these 2 videos for more quality and fun tutorials. Ciao!